Hello សួស្តីថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងបង្កើត game clicker មួយ like one of those cookie clicker game where the more you click the more money or cash you will get. So anyway, the game engine that we'll be using today is Godot. Also, before we begin, I like to say that ខ្ញុំមិនជា professional coder មួយក៏ program ទេខ្ញុំត្រឹមតែរៀនឆ្នាំទី2អញ្ចឹង there's a lot of mistake I'm going to be having. So if you have any opinion or advice, you can comment down below for me and anyone who also want to learn about programming, development, and most of this stuff. អញ្ចឹងយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមបង្កើត project ក្នុង Godot. I didn't record this part, but anyway, here's a reenactment. Okay, great. Now we're in. So my idea right now is to make a clicker game. You know what? It's like copy clicker. It's a very simple. You just need like some type of thing to put the data in, the place where you click, and then just upgrade it. That's it. And we're gonna create a script. I'll call it the global data. Global. Why using global? I don't know. Let's just make it. So let me explain the global script. The global script is sort of like a script that basically you run and on every PC. Some game we use it, some we don't. I don't know, man. It's my first time again, but all I know is okay. Global script is very good because you can keep like some data or something. So as we continue, let's talk about the clicking game. As you know, clicking game requires something to click. That can be an area, small area, for example, like cookie, like a circle. Or maybe the whole screen. But in my case, it's a small area. So yeah, I'm gonna put a button. Just click on this button and just put out the icon we have. This thing here. And I should like work like a button. How it should work. So the button is one of Godot node. And if you make a game, I think you use this a lot because it's a button. Like when you make a menu, you need a button. Make something button. It's button everywhere. Okay. So I will explain some of the script and also explain the process. The script I'm using is called GD script. It is Godot language program. You can also use C#, but I'm gonna use GD script. And this here is extend. I don't know what it does, but all I know is that if you're gonna put a script inside something, it's gonna extend from that node. And this here is a variable, and this M here means that I just want it in float. That's the reason with the decimal. And followed by that is the function process. You see, in Godot, to make a script run or calculate something, you either need a physics process or process. Alright, so I'm done. Anyway, here the script working. So it's like 100. We can click on this 5. Yeah. See how like the number keep increasing? Yep, so that's done. Just kidding. Now let's make the UI for the game. You see, all clicker game have that money UI that will show up, that will like go up. I mean, will you see it? Satisfaction of seeing your money going up and up. For the UI, I'm gonna make it a scene. What a scene, you might ask? Well, it's a tree of node. A node can become a scene, same way as this button is not a scene, because it's not a scene. Okay, back to it. A node can become a scene when you basically put another node inside it, and then it became a tree of node. You see, that's a scene. In fact, you can't even call this a scene because of this scene thing. Anyway, I'm gonna create a control scene, and you might also ask, what is a control scene? You're asking a lot of questions here, bud. Who are you? Anyway, control node is just the UI. That's it. After that is the text. You can see that I'm quite undecided because there are different text UI, and you can see me testing the UI of the text a bit before choosing this one, the panel. So now you see everything is done. everything is finished. As you can see in the background, currently working on. By the way, this takes me 30 minutes trying to figure out what's going on, what's wrong. But I don't know what's wrong with me. So I'm gonna yap a bit because this is so stupid. And every time I click a button, only the logo one changed. The global one didn't change, so that means the UI also didn't change because it taking the data from the from the global data. You see, this is the folder change. You can see it. Oh, it does not change. Oh, but yeah, the global money does not change because every time we put the money up, it's always this one. You can see my relief of what's going on. But anyway, yeah, this is it. That's the game. Since see me clicking and the money is going up. Yeah, that's it. The clicking game. You click, you got money. You don't click, you don't got money. Also, don't forget to like, share, and also maybe follow me. It'll be good for me. I mean happy. Anyway, yeah. I'll see you next time.